welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Ultimate Driving. We are going to be a police officer, and Paul Jake is going to be joining us today. If you can't hear him, he said, "Hey, go follow us on Roblox. Subscribe to me, subscribe to him, like his video, and that's about it. If you want to join us, go follow us." So now let's get into the game. We're gonna both be police officers, unless if you want to be a firefighter. Unless we want to be a firefighter, we can be medic. But so we're gonna be Petey. He'll be joining in a minute. He will be joining in a minute. I will go by the house real quick. Oh God. I will go get her house. Lord. 7-1. I'm gonna get code 4 to the house. At least I'm responding to a call. Just kidding, I'm really not. I'm just trying to go to the house. Oh my God. It smells good inside my house. Oh, trying the wrong time. Oh my God. Do you have an unmarked of anything? Do you have the Explorer? Dude, I got the house. Somebody stole my nickname. In Ultimate Driving. J-Dog. My nickname is J-Dog. What? You can't. My real nickname in like real life is J-Dog. Yeah, but my nickname is J-Dog. Alrighty, guys. So and somebody else who just said my name in the chat. So somebody said my name, it stole my name, my nickname, and somebody said my name, and somebody stole my nickname. Alrighty, so I'm on Dewey. I got the house. Whenever you join, I'm getting ready to send you an invite if you're not on yet. Actually, we're at, well, who cares? Actually, you're older than me, so you're older than me. Bro, what the flip? I'll be turning 13. the flip? Dude, come over to where, come over toward the back of the school. That's not me. Where are you at? Going like going toward the house. You'll see me. Dude, I can't tell what van, if that's a regular van or a police van. It's on top of the school. Can you try jumping up there? I'm coming around that way. You got up? Yeah. Dude, this is just a weird place to have it. 9094244 Delaware. Ronald is cool. It don't matter. It's up to you. Dude, he's not on here. This dude that owns this car is not on here. I had Ride text me. Alrighty, I'm gonna go catch up to the house or wherever. Oh, he's right here. That's it. I wish you could go like a higher volume than just one. Huh? I'm going this way. Alright, I'm turning. I'm gonna try censoring the light, guys. Go ahead. Too far. That's what I say. I don't know. I'm waiting. Heading to Oyster. You might have to press F. I should have head down here to the parking lot. Turning. Dude, oh my god. He got stuck on the curb. I know a good spot to hide. Alright. I got my hiding spot. Yeah, I know where you put. I know where you are. Yeah, I'll be right back. I gotta use the restroom, guys. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. And we got log into project. Hello, I'm back. Oh god, we had a possible fire. Show me on scene of the fire. I'm right over here. I'm gonna block hey, you wanna block traffic right there? Where that turn is? Actually, let's block right here. Block right here. Yeah. Not real. Not if depends of how many fire. It depends on how many fire trucks there are. Did he really? I'm not gonna go. Alrighty, I'm gonna put some flares up right here, so in case people come through and they see the cop car out there, they can just go in between the flares. Where are they at? Oh, here. Which way are they coming from? It depends on which way are they coming from. That's the main thing. Oh, I see him. I see him. I see him. Go around. Dude, go around that way. Good job. He's coming in this way. Do not hit my car. Hey, he went between the flares. That's cool. That is the first. Guys, that's the first. So how many firefighters was Oh, okay. Wait, I hear another firefighter, I believe. There's only 2 firefighters. I'm coming this way. Yeah. No, because if they walk across, they have to walk across the street. They would have to walk across the street in order to. I do hear another fire truck. Make him go around. Make him go around. Okay, he's doing. Oh! Get back. You know what? This is a girl. Anyway, she's going to jail. Hurry. Wait, first how much about does she have? Get her. If she definitely going to jail. Stay in her car. If you fall out of the car, yeah, I can get her. I can get her. I can get her. I got her. Yeah. I don't know. There is one car that just gone around. He gone around this way. Dude, just block her out here. Or block up there. It don't matter. What? Fire is clear. Bro, my lights. Dude, somebody turned my lights off. I don't know. Cause whenever I looked at my car, it wasn't there was no lights on. I would go. Should we go with the firefighters? I gotta. Oh my god. I got a tow truck that will not get out of the way of a fire truck. We're heading to right now the fire truck's heading toward Woodbury. I don't know where the tow truck's heading to. Tow truck is heading toward. You have the undercover what? Charge RT. It's the RT. Tahoe? Oh, that one. Okay. Yeah. I'm responding back to the station to get the Type R. Yeah. I'm switching out. I'm gonna switch out cars throughout the video. I'm gonna change cars. I'm gonna change cars throughout the video. I'm gonna do the unmarks first, and then I'll do the marks. That's the Charger key. Dude, this Type R looks sick. I know. Responding to the fire in Woodburn. The Sedana is. With boost, it can go up to like 167. With boost, it can go up to 167. With no boost, it can go up to 176. I'm responding to South Beach. I'm responding. Wow. If you want to, you can. So. What are you getting? No, it doesn't. In real life, they don't either. Not in real life. Not where I live. Yeah, in New York they do, but not where I live. Yeah. You wanna go to our house and go to sleep? I'm probably getting ready to miss the road. Psych. But I didn't either. Probably whenever I was turning, I did. Turning. Is this it? Yep. Yeah! Yeah, I'm going to our house. No! Wait, where are you at? I just passed our driveway. I can't even get inside that. I'm gonna have to back up. You're gonna have to turn in sharp. Like, I mean sharp. I'm parking mine right there. Not it. I jumped out of the way. I did. Yeah. We should have a hide and go seek challenge. Like inside the house. Like inside the house on the game. How do we turn usernames off? Wait, give me a second. Give me a second. No, I can't. I wish they had like some kind of mode that you could just like turn off usernames. That'd be cool. Alright, we gotta turn off all the lights. Why is this light on? It's not on. So what's on? Is it this? Oh, it's this, isn't it? I thought I turned that light off. Oh, it's probably upstairs. Alright, let's turn off all the lights and shut all the windows. Alrighty? Alright. It has to be completely dark. It has to be completely dark. Alright, well, come inside for right now. Cause wait, you turned your username off. Dude, you turned your username off. Yeah, cause I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it. Oh. Wait, let me get back inside the house real quick, because I'm outside right now. Oh, no, you didn't. Yeah, I wasn't looking up. Sorry. Dude, I wasn't looking up. Yeah. Oh, wait, can you turn off the lamps? Dude, you can turn off the lamps, but they won't turn off. Which gives away your hiding spot. Alright, and is it dark outside? Just come back, come back inside for right now. Because we're gonna wait until it gets dark so it's better. Oh. It's kind of went like that. You gotta jump right here. Oh, flip. Are you on? Alright. What time is it now? You suck at something. Alright, while it's getting dark, but when it gets dark, we gotta come home and play some hide and go seek. Alright, and then tonight when it gets dark, we play hide and go seek. Why? Alrighty, whatever, guys. We're not doing hide and go seek because I don't know what we're doing. Alright. I'm about to. Wait, maybe we should just wait for an officer to pull somebody over. And then we tow his car. Don't care. They have to have it in park. Any officers around? Come on, really? Really? I was fine for speeding. Dumbass. Well, I'm coming with lights on so I can speed throughout the game at any day and time. No, yeah. You can, if you have your lights on, you can go quick. Bet you didn't know that. No, they didn't. Caution, slow speed. Screw whoever did that. And screw. Oh, I found an abandoned car. I went speeding apparently. Not for speeding with your lights on. Oh, that's not you. Where are you at? I know a good place to put these cars at. I know a good, yeah. Mm-hmm. Caution, car going into the water. Put that. What if somebody on here is actually a Korean? Um, why won't this car get off? Dude, just put caution. Car still on tow truck. Literally, my car's still on tow truck. Oh my gosh, really, dude? Or is that from like just being a police officer? Thanks for not. Oh, dude, this dude just hit me. Oh, I'm gonna drop this off my dang car. I feel bad for all these people that are going into the water. Not really. This car's slowly coming off. Oh my god, guys, this car's... Yay! The car finally came off. And it's not going into the water, so... Oh my god. Look at this. Yo, this dude has an officer's car. Yo, I'm having so many people follow me. Do they know I'm a YouTuber? No, do these guys that are following me know I'm a YouTuber? Because I got 2 people freaking following me. Screw this crap. I'm out. I believe I lost them. Oh, I didn't lose them. Oh wait, I'll juke them though. I will juke them. I will juke them if I have to. I just did with one of them. No, these people. No, I'm saying these people think I'm a YouTuber. I'm gonna have to hide, dude. Alright. Hey, dude, if we ever, guys, if we, never mind, I'll be right back. Guys, if we ever do become a police officer again, I found a good hiding spot. It's been taking forever. Ahead, wait. Find shelter ahead. Crosswing delay halt. Hey. Mostly shelter. Warning. Hurricane. Warning. I have to. Ahead. All lanes ahead. Close all directions. Find shelter ahead. Oh. I got a tornado sign. Yeah. It, audio, tornado. Huh. Give me, dude, I can't see the code for it. Yo, yep, that's a real sign, guys. I'll be right back. Wait, I'll just type it right here on my phone. Alright, so quick memory. Add one. Okay. Alrighty, I believe this is the code. I don't know if it is or not. Guys, I don't know if this is the code or not, but who cares? I'm gonna try it anyways. That's not the code. Let me search up something. Torn. Oh my god. Alrighty. Tornado sirens. For Roblox ID code. Is yeah. Ow. Well, that's not it. Is it this one? Oh, I got a good one. Alrighty. Two, three, two. Alrighty, let me see if this is a good one real quick, boys. Alrighty, so 7, 9. Oh, there's 20. Yo, I found one of my friends. Wait, who's 27? 27 Ray. Oh, I was gonna say. 7, 9, 2, 33, 3, 0, 17. Alrighty, guys, so. Alrighty, guys, so. You know what? Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna join police officers real quick. He might join as a police officer. I just don't. Yep, he did. He did. So we're gonna be police officers again. I'm gonna get the Corvette because it's a cool one. I'm gonna have to punch the code back in. So 79 something. 79232 017. Come on, get in.
And guys, being annoying. Are you friends with MJ on Discord?
What?
Are you friends with MJ on Discord?
MJ?
MJ, yeah.
No.
Wait. Come on, he's yellow.
Tornado, dude. Tornado.
Tornado?
Yeah.
Dang. Tornado.
Tornado, seek shelter.
Question mark, tornado, question mark.
To be honest, I'm kind of scared of tornadoes.
Me too.
Seek
Chic shelter.
shelter.
Chic Yeah, dude.
Tornado. Tornado. Roblox. ID. Freak Shelter Tornado Roblox ID. Thanks for correcting me.
Did you find anything?
Not yes, sir. Not yet. Not yes, sir.
I'll be right back. I just need to use the restroom. Tell
No,
me if
that's
you
not
find
it.
it so I can get my car and I can put it on.
That's not it. I don't want that, guys. How do I get out of this? How do I get out of this? Oh, I'll just go back. Street Shelter. Code. There we go. Tornado. $1K24 MJ.
Back
I just got a friend request
from MJ.
from
Is his name 1King24 MJ? D. I mean
1K24
HDW.
MJ HDWW.
Yes, that's him. Accept it.
I'm going to. There we go.
He's gonna make us a group call because I can't make a group call on my iPad. Oh wait, add friends to DM.
Alright, well, I'm gonna have to go with that one.
MJ.
Alright, guys, so I'm just gonna keep doing this for a couple minutes. Then I'm going to go on patrol, so I'm gonna end the video right here. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to me and Paul Jake, and follow us on Roblox.
Peace, you guys.
And I'll see you on the next one, guys.
Peace. Let's go.
Peace.
Let's go. Peace. Ouch. You're going fast as hell. Oh, hey, MJ. Good job. Turn on your headlights. Turn your headlights on. Oh, so. Green? No, dang it. I knew that for the past 10 months or 11 months or however long. I don't know. For no reason. I think they actually did seek shelter because well, there's no one down here. Did they actually seek shelter though? Yeah, did they actually take shelter? Yeah. Yeah. There's literally no one on the road. That the OT truck is just abandoned. Yeah. Yeah. Did they actually seek shelter because we said tornado? That'll actually be lit. Yes, ma'am. He should add a tornado. Yeah. 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 And he needs to add snow. Yeah. Yeah. Mhm.